cracked your neck and wondered why it feels so good? Most people think it's just harmless relief, but it can be a bit riskier than it seems. So what's actually going on inside your neck? I'll explain. But if you don't want this happening to you, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this now. Here's the truth. That popping sound comes from gas bubbles releasing in the joint fluid, but forcing your neck too hard can strain it or even mess with nearby blood vessels. And in rare cases, it could lead to serious issues like a clot. But wait, how many times did I say neck?